Okay.
All right. So for the third problem we have, it's going to be 2x squared minus 11x plus 5. Now, to solve an equation like this, we need to use what's commonly known as the AC method. But now, you might be asking, why is it called AC? And the answer to that question is, the standard form of any quadratic expression is ax squared plus bx plus c. This method is called the AC method because we need to find two numbers that multiply to the value AC, right? In this case, our a value is 2 and c value is 5. We need to find two factors of AC that will add up to our b value. And in this case, AC is equal to 10. Now we need to find two numbers that multiply to 10 and add up to negative 11. And there's only one set of factors that works for this, and those are negative 1 and negative 10. Because negative 1 times negative 10 equals positive 10, and negative 1 plus negative 10 is negative 11. So now, with these two numbers in mind, we can split up our expression into 2x squared minus 1x minus 10x plus 5. And now we can solve this like a grouping equation or expression. So with our two groups being 2x squared minus 1x or minus x and negative 10x plus 5, leaving us with, or rather, we can factor out x from 2x squared minus x, leaving us with x times 2x minus 1. And then we can factor out a negative 5 from the other group, leaving us with negative 5 times 2x minus 1. And because we have two sets of 2x minus 1, we can group that together into one bracket. And then we take our outer numbers, and we get x minus 5 from that, leaving us with the final answer of x minus 5, 2x minus 1.
Okay. For the last way to solve quadratic formulas, I'll be using the quadratic formula. And so, like the standard formula, ax squared plus bx plus c. Quadratic formula, always remember, is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now let's just use a random equation, for example. 10x squared plus 6x plus 19. All we have to do is just substitute the values as shown here. So this is the a value, this is the b value, and this is the c value. So let's do it in the formula. So negative 6 plus or minus 6 squared minus 4 times 10 times 19 over 2 times 10. Now we simplify even further to get negative 6 plus or minus 16 squared is 256, right? Oh, 6 squared. 36 minus 4 times 10 is 40. 40 times 9 is
19. 40 times 19.
Oh, 40 times 19 is 760 over 20. And now we solve this. So 36 minus 760 is negative
724.
and 20. Now, a key thing to remember is that the number inside the radical is a negative, so we just leave it as that. We don't simplify any further because we don't know how to simplify any further. So this would be your final answer. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, everybody agree? We all good?
Alternatively, you could simplify the negative 6 over 20, because it's just saying negative 6 over 20 plus or minus radical negative 724 over 20, but you don't really have to do that. It's something you can do if you want to do.
Indeed. And
Yeah.
we're done.
Cut. All right. Just submit this shit as is, bro.